Tools are changing the way we edit photos today. Have you ever taken a great picture, but there's something ruining it, a stranger in the background, a random object, or an unwanted shadow? In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful tools that let you remove objects from photos easily, even if you have zero editing skills. Let's get started. Tool 1. Cleanup Tool by Google Photos. The first tool is Google Photos' built-in cleanup feature. Simply open your photo, tap Edit, and choose Cleanup. Circle the object you want to remove, and the AI automatically fills the background to match the original image. This tool works incredibly well for small objects, people in the background, or minor distractions. It's fast, free, and perfect for everyday edits. A great example of how a magic eraser photo editor can simplify photo editing. Tool 2. Web-based magic eraser tool. The second option is a web-based magic eraser editor you can use directly from your browser. Upload your image, brush over the unwanted object, and let the AI do the rest. These tools are ideal if you don't want to install any apps. They work on both desktop and mobile, and the results are surprisingly clean, especially for product photos and social media content. At this point, you can really see how Magic Eraser photo editor technology saves time and effort. Tool 3. Mobile Magic Eraser apps. The third tool is a dedicated mobile app designed specifically for object removal. Just select the Erase tool, highlight the object, and the app automatically blends the background. Many of these apps also include extra features like background blur, object cloning, and retouching tools. They're perfect for creators, sellers, and anyone who wants professional-looking photos on their phone. Final thoughts. Removing objects from photos no longer requires expensive software or advanced skills. With these 3 tools, anyone can clean up photos in seconds. If you want fast, simple, and powerful editing, Magic Eraser photo editor tools are definitely worth trying. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves photo editing. Thanks for watching, and start editing smarter with Magic Eraser photo editor today. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.